Hey, Chris Matthew here. I made a quick improvement to Skynet. Wanted to show you what it looked like. It's basically a Skynet.js file that you can add to a web or a mobile app, and then it basically makes it really simple to connect to Skynet with your own device ID and token, and then do access all of the APIs via WebSockets. So they're real time, really fast, and it's really simple. The whole magic is really here in this. You add to your HTML file, for instance. You just add skynet.im/js/skynet.js to your app, and you pass it the UUID and token in the Skynet config, which would be unique for your particular device, and it tries to register with Skynet. If it fails authentication, it'll hit this Skynet not ready function. If it passes, it'll hit Skynet ready, and from here you can do things like emit, check the status. You can subscribe or unsubscribe to events and messages on particular devices on the Skynet network. You can emit messages to a particular device or an array of devices or all devices, like a broadcast message on the Skynet network. And you can sit and listen for messages coming in. Um, Register devices, update devices, check who am I, basically information about a particular UUID, and even receive the last 10 events of a device. So that was a lot, but let me show you how it works. Here's the same code that's on the site there, and if we basically run that in our browser, let me get the console log there. You'll see there it goes. In that quick amount of time, it requested a connection to Skynet. It passed it the WebSocket ID of the page, basically, or the device. You can, it was, so it's authenticated, and then here are all the messages I have inside of, or the API transactions I have inside of Skynet Ready. So it's subscribing, unsubscribing, it's sending messages, it's checking the status, it's registering a UUID of type drone, it's updating a device saying it's armed, it's checking who am I, the status of or all the information about a particular UUID, and it's requesting events. So you can see here's all the transactions, and here's an object of the last 10 events of that particular UUID, and all the messages, etc. So I think I'm going to build a quick demo app here next, but just wanted to show you how easy with this Skynet.js file is to go ahead and get started, get authenticated, and start interacting with the Skynet API via WebSockets. So, all right, let me know what you think.